Hey you guys, it's me Steph back again. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a quick eyebrow fix up, my DIY on how I do my own eyebrows. Yes, I do my own eyebrows. I do clean them up because it's not because I don't like it when I do my eyebrows, but I don't like the fact that since eyebrows are done with thread or with wax, my skin's very sensitive, so it starts to swell up and it looks like I have hives in my face, and I last like that for a couple of hours, and that's a no-no for me. I look weird. It looks like I got stung by bees, especially when I do this area here.
It's really bad.
So yeah, so I'm gonna teach you guys how I do my eyebrows, how I clean them up, and also I'll be trying out the Bella Hadid brow. Give me that kind of pulled back eye look type of thing. And if you guys want to keep on watching, continue watching the video. The things that I'll be using will be a spoolie brush, eyebrow pencil with a thin tip, also tweezers for those extra little hairs that are very annoying and don't want to come out, and they're just sticking there out of your eyebrows, and my shaving utensil to shave out the shape. So yeah guys, let's get to it. So here you go you guys, my
Disgusting eyebrows.
So I'll be brushing them out first. Brushing them out. What I start with is the unibrow part, which you can't really see the hair. So you see them? Those tiny little hairs. Just make sure you got some good tweezers for this, because some tweezers don't even pull the thinnest hairs in your face. Make sure you got some good ones, because you need to make sure that area is really smooth, because that's the whole point, you know? Sometimes you just have those stubborn hairs that you can't pluck. That area is done. And next, this is where we're gonna get creative. I use this pencil or any other brow pencil or just anything to outline the shape of your desired brow. So basically I just, as I'm drawing in, I start to visualize the shape that I want, and I just start to draw it in. This is where you gotta get creative, you guys. Just outline it straight like that. You don't have to curve it or anything, just outline it straight. So you see there, I outlined a straight line, then I go in and kind of just go down like that. And kind of overdraw the line like that. And then here as well, you see that? Then for this part, just to make it a bit more visible, I just let that be right up there, and I'll just start plucking the hairs on the bottom, the obvious ones that are way below my brow bone. So I just start plucking those babies out. So once you get somewhat of a clean base like that on the bottom, brush the hair out first, straight, just to make sure you're doing it right. So then I just start to start creating that shape for my brow. So there you go. That's kind of the outline that I want. It doesn't have to look perfect. It's just a rough draft of what your eyebrow should be. So yeah, that's kind of what it is right there. Then you start plucking the hairs that are not underlined. So whatever hairs are sticking out, those are the ones I'll be plucking out. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with the bottom part now. And for the top part, I make it easier on myself by using my electric hair remover. Make sure you have a really steady hand, because if you don't have a steady hand in your hand
Oh my god.
No, I'm good. Oof.
I cleaned it out, you guys. And just the outline, it looks crappy, I know, but it's just a helpful tool to get you started on doing your eyebrows. And then after that part is done, clean it off, and then with the plucks, I just pluck out whatever hairs were there, because the trimmer is just a trimmer. It doesn't really go into the roots and removes all those hairs, so you have to go in with tweezers and remove them. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with that, guys. I cleaned my eyebrow already, so I'm gonna just give you a quick look as to how it ended up looking like. So that's my baby there. So that's a clean outlook. And then what I'm gonna do is go here, this part, and just kind of draw a straight line from there. I go very light-handed with this. Start one part and just drag it down because you don't want to mess it up. I'll be going in with this and just removing it, but I'll be going in sideways. For the last step of how I do my brows is you're gonna need some tijeritas, some little scissors. Any kind of scissors, preferably if you have any thin scissors. It makes it easier just to trim the hair off. I'll be brushing my brows up, so just brush them really good. Like for me right now, in my case, they're kind of not growing. They haven't been growing as much, so I just let them be. Make sure those babies are standing high up. And just kind of trim the top of the hair. And there you go. Not too short either, because it's gonna look weird and it's gonna look out of shape. Okay guys, so then that's my brow. I kind of overdid it here a bit. So like I said, you guys, you have to be very patient and very precise and steady when you're trimming that hair off with an electric shaver, because I did kind of went a little bit under, but it's such a quick and easy help. It makes life easier for you. Basically, this is a before and this is an after. That's it for that step, you guys. That's basically what I do with my eyebrows. It's a quick, steady, easy, probably 15 minutes it should take you doing this. So the more and more you do your own eyebrows, you start understanding the shape that you want and the shape of your brow, what's perfect for you and what's not. So yeah, that's basically what it is for that step. So I'll be moving on to this eyebrow off camera, and I'll be back to try out the Bella Hadid brow lift. And hopefully it works out well, guys. So I'm also gonna do my makeup just to have that set and ready.
You know, looking all cute and bomb, but wish good.
So I'll be back, guys. Back and ready, 1,000 hours later. Looks kind of weird not doing my eyebrows for a while and now actually having them nice and cleaned out. I look kind of scary. I look evil, like angry, like.
What?
We're gonna be shaving the ends of it to give it that. Okay, you guys, this is gonna be fun. Kind of like this.
Oh, I'm scared.
Go for it. Okay.
Okay, guys.
I think I went a little bit too rough. Moving on. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna fill it in. Let's see how that looks. I see the difference. Oh yeah. Let's fill them in. Okay guys, I think it looks okay, I guess. Let's go on to the other brow. Now let's fill it in, guys. So I think that completes the look, you guys. I tried the lifted brow. So what are your thoughts, guys, of my brows? Do they look kind of lifted? I don't know. I think they still look the same. That's probably just me. They do kind of, you know what? I actually think it looks kind of good. Not that bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks kind of cool. I think I do. I kind of see it. I kind of see the little lift. Like, lifts my face up. And yeah, this is how I also do my brows, guys. So here's a close-up. This was my attempt on trying something new with my brows besides cleaning them up, because I never really shaved them. I never really plucked them till they were like
Thin little line.
first try. I think it looks good. So you let me know, guys, if you guys liked my eyebrow tutorial. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty basic. You want to save time, you want to save money, just a bunch of practice, patience. This is how I do my eyebrows. This is how I clean. This is how I snatch my eyebrows, you guys. If you guys liked my brows and you think it's easy, give it a thumbs up, you guys. And if you guys want to keep on watching more of my videos, much love from me to you. Bye, guys.